Habibi. Habibi. I can't stop saying Habibi. Habibi, Habibi. Oh, sorry, babe. Falafel pizza. I'm so blind, I can't even read.
Ay, ano po yung ginagamit sa nachos?
Can you read it?
Oh, yeah.
I can't read it.
There. Shashlik.
Shashlik chicken.
Yan ba yung may
Adana kay Bob.
wait.
Special Lama June.
Vegan pizza with fluffy.
Okay naman, duh. What's the description? You know, I'm gonna zoom in na lang so I can read it.
Pesto, olives, bell peppers,
Ay, nag-pesto na.
eggplant.
Bakit yung falafel lang? Ate, do you sell falafel lang?
Falafel balls only?
Yes.
Yes. 25 per ball.
Oh, you wanna get the balls na lang?
Masarap yun.
How many?
Luigi's friend. Kasi alam mo naman yun, madalda.
Real. Very soft-spoken.
Soft-spoken na madalda. I think that's the reason why a lot of people like him. And I feel like they look at me like a bitch. Because I have the resting bitch face.
Yes, because you are a bitch. This is all just you. You are the star.
Why not you? You're pretty.
Why? I just stay behind and the apple. She's here for sushi.
Okay, nahiya na ako na.
Here, what's this? Oh, I'll have to buy kutsara later.
Why? You're such a tita.
No, it's for lunch. It's craving. I was checking for Grab. And then biglang said, yo, mahal. What's this one? Okay. Alright, this is interesting. But also, I'm sick of. Hello.
We have 5 flavors for samosas available right now. Corn with spinach, classic original, cheese samosas, chicken.
Wanna get that now?
Yes, we do. Can we get
Actually, all of them are the best.
What's your favorite?
Classic, of course.
classic? We get the classic, half of the classic and half of the chicken.
So just one.
Are you excited?
What did you get here?
Huh?
What did you get?
We got the THC.
Okay.
It's hot.
Oh, see, it's hot. Yeah, kasi we're hungry.
Man, we're hungry
We got
kasi
something
this
hot.
is the first meal of the day.
I'm just recording you the whole time.
Record yourself too.
No, I'm just trying to see it. Alright, take a bite.
I feel the THC.
Ayun. Ah, it looks so yum.
Gago init. It's actually pretty dope.
I can make this.
Make it first, please. Where's the big electric fan? Can we just like stand in front of it?
Or there's more. Meron ba? I don't recall seeing one. Said I'm dripping.
I don't eat the crust.
Why?
It's just gluten. Wait, why am I still holding this?
Hi po, can you makithrow? Thank you po. Can you ask for tissue po? Sorry. I got a few. I have water you want. Oh my god, there's ano. I don't know what to get. I want the cucumber. Oh, melon juice. I haven't had it in so long. Well, we have one healthy item. Are you happy?
How the THC kanina?
16 ounce po, 80 pesos.
Juice is shaky. Oh my god, I think. What's this? Oh, so good.
Avocado. Oh, mango.
Melon. Thank you.
This is Denise Fernandez. She's about to get free taste.
I don't want to.
Okay, she's KJ. But I think we should look for a spot.
Yeah. No, there's a lot. Good soup naman na.
Yeah. Because we're in the middle for an
Wait, do we get the chocolate?
You can find.
Hi, can you get one?
Yes.
Oh, looks good. Nina. How much is it?
Very lucky.
Because it's very big. Is that delicious?
Para kami telenovela yung dalawang puting puta may mga itim na anak.
This is just empanada that has curry. Luigi's favorite. This is Luigi's favorite. The entire time we're showing it nothing.
What's this?
The last piece of the pecan pie.
Oh, so good. Really? Good.
I'm not sure trust a white man to make this good pecan pie.
It's so good.
This is Nash. This is Mika.
Hello.
Shiny machine. I know.
Yeah. That's why I'm complaining now. Kaya pala si Luigi, ay, so fucking pagod. I'm so fucking...
Sunday market.
Tamad na.
Gusto tayo nag-Sunday market, uy.
Gusto namin Sunday market. Try
Hindi naman
lang.
natuloy. Hindi naman, umikot na kami ni Luigi. Kayo lang nag-enjoy. Yung isang guy, yung shooter, hindi marunong mag-cut eh. Yung... Paano kung...
How do you say it?
Remote.
This one. How do you say this one? Again?
Cartier.
What about this one?
I don't know what the fuck is
Try
that.
it.
Zigna.
This one. What the fuck is this? Okay, go. Ready?
I can't read. Roger Binrier.
Lord V, my.
Lord
Or
V.
V.
Oh yeah, Max Mara. They're easier.
Max Mara, basic. How do you say this one? Wait. Okay. How do you say that? Bakit gano'n?
Why am I counting in one word?
Hi guys, we're now here walking. Where are we going to eat?
Ramen Kuroda.
Sino nag-request?
Si Kat. Ang ina.
Sana sinunduan naman tayo, no?
Mainit, my golly. But we're going there kasi masarap daw yung food. If not masarap, Kat's gonna libre us.
Nice. Sugar mommy.
Sugar mommy.
Grab, it's more hot here. What the hell?
But no, why is it an aircon area?
True.
Lord.
Yeah.
Lord.
Where are we? What do you buy here?
Work clothes. I don't know. I only like shopped here once. It was an experience.
Why are they walking so fast?
Because they have long legs.
Can you guys chill the fuck out? We're in
But paano
Grieta.
yun if we're gonna go to another country?
Oh my god, are we here?
Yeah, thank God.
Cat, this better be fucking good. Oh my god, may fucking line.
There is.
There's a line. Check it out, eh? Sarap. You know, namin first time you guys see
Saka extra.
Favorite wallet?
You stay.
Half a day, diba? Yung half a day.
This is so good.
Sa Guam pala yun. Guamanian pala may ari. From Guam. Kasi yung...
This is the one near the entrance, right?
Yeah.
This
dun
is
sa
sesame
dulo.
seed. I put in
Yeah.
chili
I
oil,
eat that
chili
too. I
powder,
eat that
and
too.
pepper.
Sarap.
Very, very good.
Thank you. This sa'yo.
I got a ramen. I got God's favorite. This is white soup. And simcan.
Hell yeah.
I ordered it, but I forgot. You made sure kasi for me. You want chili?
Yeah.
Do you want the oil? Do you want the powder?
Both.
Sabi ko kay Kenneth, birthday mo? Sabi niya, kasi hindi ko maalala yung Shira. Sabi niya, oo.
Complete order naman.
Yes, thank you.
Upal talaga si Kenneth.
Kupal
That's
Lord.
Kenneth.
How's Uncle? Ano? What should I do?
Ito, para...
Sit down anymore. I'm too full.
Ooh!
Where are we, Kat?
Time zone. Let's
Time
watch
zone.
now. Saan ka pupunta after?
I have to go home. I haven't been going home. It's Sunday's house. Oh, see you guys time zone without us.
No, we stopped na.
We stopped
It's
now.
been a
What,
long,
you were
long
gambling
time.
then, no?
No.
I'm gonna take a piss. Can you hold this, please?
Okay. Wow, it's so big here. You guys are Candy cutie!
With informative dancing.
What?
With informative dancing.
Burns. This is the Burns effect.
Yes, Lordy. Pet, how does your pet go?
No, Kat has to do the jump thing again. No, go.
Yeah, can you do the jump thing?
No, lalabas cheat detective. We got that one.
So take it.
Oh, sige, let's play more.
Amazing.
You know we have so much stack of the cards. Wait, stop for that. Stop for that. Before you. Once you finish this one, the stones, you get a bigger bonus.
They're teaching us.
Uy! Si Thanos!
Okay, hindi na kami titigil.
Oh my God.
Fuck!
That's the rare card.
This is how my gambling addiction started.
I'm entertained. That's the rare card, guys.
Really?
Yeah, it's so hard to get it.
She knows her Marvel.
See?
Whoa, what's that? What's happening?
You get a bigger bonus. Kasi you completed all the stones.
That's so
Wink.
cool.
Hindi lang eh, sayang. Oh, get that.
Tingnan ko na!
Oh, get that. Nandito na tayo.
Get it na. Lapit na, oh.
Layo!
Kaya yan.
Sayang yan!
Sayang yung shake.
Okay, load it up! Load it up! All in! Uy, konti na lang si Roma eh. Yun nga.
Amazed.
Si Thanos yung ano, si Thanos yung dahil lang kung bakit nandito pa rin tayo.
Dahil
Gago, galing. Lot, possible. Oh! Oh, si Thor! Hey, Thor! Yeah! Yes, we get...
Dali, shake it.
Oh, Black Panther, bro!
Gago. What the fuck?
Okay, guys, I encourage you guys to play.
Oh my God, na-edit ako. Ayoko na.
Yan, shoot mo lahat. Para mabilis.
What have you done?
No! Ay, naku. Wait, pabayaan yan. Yan! Okay, watch it, bro. Watch the...
Gonna get the big bonus.
Yan na.
Oh, what are you gonna get?
500.
Gago. Oh, not bad. And then, si Captain America. Uy!
Yeah!
Okay na, pwede na ako matapos. Dito na ako na si Iron Man. Iron Man.
Welcome to the Pro Cup Tournament. Round 1, 10 minutes.
Oh, okay na pala. Thank you.
It's gonna be hot.
It's hot. I don't want it.
Here, go.
Scared.
Yeah. Oh, that's spicy. Weird.
Are you ready?
Sabi ko sa'yo, Patrick eh.
We got it! We got Patrick! You're so galing.
Ano po?
We're in Ming.
Mingi Ming Ming oh. Parang may energy to. Yes! It's my birthday. Thank you. IG algorithm for this place.
What do you want Korean?
Yeah.
Bali, ma'am, tra-inform ko na lang din for the unavailable items. For now po kasi wala po kami pork cutlet. Menchi cuts and sliced beef with the shrimp cutlet. Hindi din po.
Okay.